Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Whoa.
Woo! Morning
Yes.
Options Report. MarketChameleon.com. I'm Adam. That's Will. I'm down in Costa Rica.
Hello,
Will
everybody.
is in parts unknown, traveling the globe as normal, dude. How you feeling today after that Jets crucifixion yesterday, man?
Back to reality. Half the stadium shows up with number 14s on. You know it's not good.
You know, it's a little. That's what we call a football bubble, man. When you get to the bubble and you know it's gonna burst, man. When everybody's got the jersey on, everybody's psyched. You know it's all over, man. Get
You
ready,
should have bet the Dolphins. Why didn't you give that?
dude.
as
I
the pick of-
did, man. Are you kidding me, dude? I'm living the dream today. I'm taking the week off. Cheers.
All right, let's get right into it.
You don't think I know my team? Here we go, man. What do you got? Bring us some winners today, man. Winner,
move
chicken
quick.
dinner. What do we got, man?
Quick today.
Quick.
Where did Corning pop up? Corning popped up in our feed. Option volume was 2 times the normal on Friday. 16,000 contracts. The calls were 82% of it, which I went out and I looked at, what do you think? Bull, put, and call spreads. And quite a few call spreads showed up. I screened and 14% return, cushion 9% return. On the put spreads, there are a bunch more with returns if the stock is unchanged and a reasonable cushion. So there you go. You can take the bear side of the trade with these put spreads. You can actually collect some money holding the spread, and there you go.
What's happening What's happening with Corning, man? Why are they getting beat up?
Well, I haven't said they're going to beat up. I'm just saying. All I'm saying is someone came in on Friday and bought a ton of puts.
Oh, how's the stock doing?
You make the call.
You tell me, how's that stock doing, man? What's it up? Oh,
How is it doing?
That's okay.
How is it doing? Can you see it?
It looks like it's coming off maybe a high there. I don't know. Now Corning makes the glass for your phone, right? That's their big deal now.
Yes, that's their huge deal.
Yeah,
huge deal.
Good for them being able to change.
It's right near a 3 month, 6 month. It's right up there at its all-time high. So those put buyers, people could be looking for a sell-off, whatever. That's maybe why the puts are trading. If you're long the stock, I mean, those two spreads we looked at, the put and the call spread on the bull side, bull side could be, on the bear side could be things to look at. It's
all right, so that's your first one. What do you got? What else you got for us, man? I like that, but
you like that?
I like that. Who knows? But who knows where it's gonna go, man? Glass. You need glass, I guess, right?
People do tend to need glass, both in their houses and on their phones. I think the thing with their glass is it's quote unquote indestructible.
I for a fact can attest that is untrue. Totally untrue. I know they call it gorilla glass, but no, it breaks.
The second thing was Dorsey had an interview this weekend. Mr.
Hipster. Mr. Hipster.
The president of the hipsters, and I mean basically said that a conservative employee at the firm has a real hard time, has to keep all his thoughts to himself. So it made.
Wait, what do you mean? What are you saying? He has one of his people in his. He's not allowed to tweet. Is that what you're saying?
Well, no, I'm just saying within the workplace, it's a very bad environment to be someone with conservative thinking.
Oh,
in the Twitter office.
In the Twitter office. So, he's a conservative. I didn't realize that.
He is not.
Oh, he's not.
He
just said if you are, you better keep your mouth shut.
Well, those weren't his exact words,
right.
But it leads you to believe, like, what are they going to do with these stocks? Twitter, Facebook, you talk about election engineering. I mean, they do have the ability to do a lot of different things in-house. I mean, if it's that bad for an employee,
Right.
what's actually going on in there?
Right. Well, what happens? I mean, this is what I was talking about actually yesterday on my podcast, was this idea of, look, these are the new, when these companies, and we're on one right now, when we're talking on YouTube, everybody, by the way, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. But so we're here on YouTube, right? When YouTube controls the algorithm and tells you, basically feeds up what it wants you to feed up, what it wants to feed you up, basically it's the same as the old news medias, right? I mean, back in the old day, there were, as everybody would say, 6 white guys controlling the news flow. These guys are now controlling the news flow. So what are, if they're all liberals or all conservatives or whatever you want to say, they're controlling that stream, right? So this may be a point of government intervention. We may be nearing that point. What do you think about that, brother?
Well, I looked at bear call and put spreads.
Look at him, man. Nothing. No, he doesn't want to talk about that at all, dude. He's just looking at the numbers.
No, I agree. I think in the short term, it's, pressure on these stocks potentially. So I would look at the bear call and put spreads, and then Twitter a bunch showed up, and then Google, who totally blew off the actual. I mean, we must have had this conversation, 2-3 weeks ago? They were speaking in front of Google actually blew it off and didn't go. So I just did a quick search on Google because there was a commentary within this Dorsey comment about how, I guess, the Google CFO, which I couldn't find a video or I'd be showing it.
Right. Is he manipulating search engine bot? Of course they are, dude. I mean, is there any question? Yes. Well, the answer is yes, dude. I mean,
this was research.
We're debating. I mean, I guess you need to have the numbers to back it up, but the answer would be yes. I mean, come on, man. Dude, that's what people do. This is human nature, man. If it's my company, I do what I want. That's the way it is. Period. Full stop.
That was what research showed during the election.
Of course.
You typed in Google Hillary Clinton is. Those were your two choices. Winning is awesome. You see it?
I do see it, yeah.
And then Yahoo and Bing, those were, the searches that were showing up for them.
That's so awesome, dude. Dude, God bless it, man.
So,
I mean, dude, me, I do not like government intervention in almost anything. But when the big players come in and you have literally full monopolies going on right now, and they literally completely control that flow, it might be time to start looking at this.
Yeah, this is not good for Google.
No, that's not good.
So
hey, man, I got an idea for you, man. You ready for a new business idea?
No, they're a bunch of bull and bear. I'm totally 100% trading options and trying to build this community. I cannot spend my brain power on any other business idea. But there are plenty of bull and bear call spreads, put spreads to look at on the bearish side. And so there you go. Those are your looks for today.
All right, brother. Thanks for joining, everybody. Pop on over to Facebook. We're going to be on Facebook in just a couple minutes. You can follow us over there. Just search for MarketChameleon.com, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.
Enjoy your trading day, everybody. Have a good week.